Badan Amil Zakat Nasional Basnas was founded by Indonesian government in 2001 based on Indonesian Presidential Decree No. 8, 2001. Basnas has responsibility to organize of collecting and distributing process of zakat, infak, and sadaqah at national level. The Bond of Law about Zakat Management in 2011 has strengthened Basnas as an independent and non-structural government that has responsibility to Indonesian President through Ministry of Religion of Indonesia. Basnas spread throughout Indonesia and organizing 18 social zakat organizations, 34 Basnas provinces, and 500 Basnas regencies and cities. Until today, Basnas has been received many achievements such as ISO 9001 2005.